Section 1. Drones are here. But how do they deliver my pizza? Picture this, you're craving pizza, but you're glued to the couch watching your favorite sci-fi show. Suddenly a buzz fills the air. A drone. It gently lowers your steaming hot pizza right to your doorstep. No need to tip, just a satisfied stomach. But how does this futuristic convenience actually work? Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are essentially flying robots. They use propellers for lift and are powered by batteries. These aren't your average toy drones though. Delivery drones are designed to carry small payloads like packages, groceries, or yes, even pizza. They use sophisticated technology to navigate, communicate, and safely deliver their precious cargo. So, the next time you see a drone hovering overhead, it might be bringing you your next online order. The future of delivery is here, and it's taking flight. Section 2, Amazon versus Google, a brave new world of delivery wars. Remember the days of waiting weeks for an online order? Thanks to companies like Amazon, those days are long gone. Now imagine your package arriving in just a few hours, delivered by a drone. That's the future Amazon is betting on with its ambitious Prime Air program. Imagine a fleet of autonomous drones buzzing through the sky, delivering packages to your doorstep with lightning speed. It's like something straight out of Star Trek.
But Amazon isn't alone in this race to the sky. Google's Wing program is also making waves in the drone delivery space. They're already testing drone delivery services in select areas, dropping off everything from coffee to medicine. It's a battle of the tech titans with both companies vying for a piece of the drone delivery pie. Who will emerge victorious? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the future of delivery is about to get a whole lot more exciting.
Section 3, GPS, lasers, and AI. Oh my, how drones find your doorstep. So, how do these flying robots know where they're going? They can't exactly ask for directions, can they? Well, it's all thanks to a combination of cutting-edge technologies, starting with GPS. Just like your smartphone, delivery drones use GPS to pinpoint their location and navigate to your address.
But they don't stop there. They also use something called LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. LiDAR is like radar, but instead of radio waves, it uses lasers to create a three-dimensional map of its surroundings. This helps the drone avoid obstacles like trees, power lines, and even curious squirrels. But wait, there's more. Delivery drones also use artificial intelligence, or AI, to make decisions on the fly. AI helps them adapt to changing conditions, like sudden gusts of wind or unexpected road closures. It's a complex dance of technology, but it's what allows these drones to navigate our complex world and deliver your packages with pinpoint accuracy. Who knew robots could be such skilled pilots?
Section 4, red tape, rogue drones, and peeping toms. The challenges of drone delivery. Drone delivery sounds amazing, right? But before we all start ordering pizza by drone, there are a few hurdles to overcome. First up, regulations. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate these flying machines. There are concerns about safety, privacy, and even noise pollution. We don't want drones crashing into buildings, spying on our backyards, or buzzing around our heads like giant, annoying mosquitoes.
Then there's the issue of security. What's stopping someone from hacking into a drone and stealing your package? Or worse, using it for nefarious purposes? It's enough to make you want to invest in a good old-fashioned padlock. But fear not. Tech wizards are already working on solutions like anti-collision systems, encrypted communication channels, and even drone identification systems. So, while there are challenges to overcome, the future of drone delivery is looking brighter by the day.
Section 5. Drones and the environment, friend or foe. We all want faster deliveries, but at what cost to our planet?
It's a valid concern, but drone delivery might actually be greener than you think. For starters, they run on electricity, which means zero tailpipe emissions.
Plus, they can fly in straight lines, avoiding traffic congestion and reducing overall fuel consumption. This could lead to cleaner air and a healthier planet.
However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The manufacturing of drones requires resources and energy, and improper disposal of batteries could lead to environmental hazards.
The jury's still out on the overall environmental impact of drone delivery, but with careful planning and sustainable practices, it has the potential to be a greener alternative to traditional delivery methods.
Section 6. The future of delivery is in the air. And no, it won't steal your dog. So, what does the future hold for drone delivery?
Get ready for even faster deliveries with drones buzzing around like futuristic bees, delivering everything from groceries to medicine.
Imagine ordering a last-minute birthday present and having it arrive just in time for the party. Or how about receiving urgent medical supplies in remote areas that are difficult to reach by road?
But the possibilities don't stop there. We could see drones inspecting bridges for structural integrity, monitoring crops for early signs of disease, or even delivering aid to disaster zones.
The sky's the limit, and the future of drone delivery is brimming with potential. Just don't worry, they're not coming for your dog yet.
Section 7. Zipline to the rescue drone delivery. That's saving lives today. While some companies are still testing the waters, drone delivery is already a reality in some parts of the world. Take Zipline for example. This amazing company is using drones to deliver life-saving medical supplies in remote areas of Rwanda and Ghana. Their drones can carry blood, vaccines, and other essential medical products, reaching people in need in a fraction of the time it would take by road. They're literally saving lives with every delivery. Zipline's success story is a testament to the transformative power of drone technology. It shows how drones can be used for good, bridging gaps in healthcare and improving lives around the world. So the next time you hear someone scoff at the idea of drone delivery, tell them about Zipline. It's proof that the future is here, and it's making a real difference. Section 8, from packages to people. Could drones be our personal flying cars?
Okay, let's take a leap into the truly futuristic. What if drones weren't just delivering packages, but people too? Imagine hopping into a drone taxi and soaring above the traffic jams, arriving at your destination relaxed and refreshed. It might sound like science fiction, but companies are already developing flying taxis and personal air vehicles, or PAVs. These futuristic vehicles promise to revolutionize urban transportation, reducing congestion and commute times. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome, like safety regulations, air traffic control, and public acceptance. But hey, we humans love a good challenge, right?
Section 9. What could possibly go wrong? Drone delivery mishaps and how to avoid them. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What could possibly go wrong with a sky full of delivery drones? Well, for starters, there's the risk of accidents. Drones could malfunction, collide with objects, or even fall out of the sky, hopefully not on your pizza. Then there's the potential for theft and vandalism. Drones carrying valuable packages could become targets for criminals or mischievous teenagers with slingshots. But fear not, my friends. Companies and regulators are aware of these risks and are working on solutions to mitigate them. From sophisticated anti-collision systems to secure landing zones, the future of drone delivery is being built with safety and security in mind. So, while there may be a few bumps in the road, or should I say bumps in the sky, the future of drone delivery is looking brighter by the day. Section 10. Are you ready for the drone revolution? The future is closer than you think. Drone delivery is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's rapidly becoming our reality. From delivering packages to saving lives, drones are poised to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our daily lives. As technology advances and regulations catch up, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for these flying robots. The future of drone delivery is full of exciting possibilities, and it's closer than you might think. So, the next time you see a drone buzzing overhead, don't be afraid to give it a wave. It might be bringing you your next online order, or even changing the world, one delivery at a time. Section 11. Drone delivery. Buckle up for a wild ride. The world of drone delivery is evolving at warp speed, and it's an exciting time to witness this technological revolution unfold. From battling tech giants to life-saving medical deliveries, the possibilities are endless. So buckle up, embrace the future, and get ready for a wild ride as drones take to the skies, delivering convenience, innovation, and a whole lot of pizza.